Do you ever use a timer with your students? Did you know that there's a timer in your flat panel? By touching the icons on the left panel, here is your timer. By opening it in your home page, it allows you to hover above any application that you have open. Right now I'm on the home page. I could tap the browser and it will hover above the browser. I also can allow it to hover in my whiteboard. When the timer is open, when you tap it, you have some settings that you can apply. You can determine, do you want sounds at the end of that timer? You can change the color of the timer. Do you want it to count up or count down? And finally, you can determine the shape. It could be rectangular or circular. Once you have set those preferences, tap that back arrow. You can resize the timer, make it larger or smaller, and you can move it out of the way so that your students can see it.